Thank you everyone for coming here. This wonderful GESS panel, which is called Bridging the Gap, Education, Industry and the Creative Economy. We have Mr. Sujoy Cherian. He is the CEO and creative technologist of Option One Design Studio. Sujoy, my question for you, how can design studios like yours influence program design to reflect emerging roles such as immersive experience designers or creative technologists?
We've started in the industry here almost 25 years ago. We've always focused not on hiring talent, but in hiring mindsets, because we believe that the talent is based on education and that could be an ongoing process. But if the mindset is not in the right track for innovation, then teaching the person how to unlearn is the biggest challenge.
So I run a business that sells creativity. And the best creatives that we have are those that understand not just what they're creating, but why they're creating it. And most importantly, how results are driven from that.
Every single one of these people have been an industry connection for a long time with SAE. And there's a reason why they are, because SAE believes that we want to put the best opportunities in front of our students.
Thank you so much to our panelists. Thank you to our lovely audience.
Thanks, everybody. Thanks.